Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to get the Venom emote, the Venom dancing emote basically in Marvel Rivals. And let's get straight into the video. So the only way to get the Venom dancing emote is to go over to home and then click on 2. When you see Galactus Cosmic Adventure, then you are good to go. And basically, in order to get it, all you have to do is you have to roll until you unlock everything on the adventure, and it says how much you have completed. So currently I have 16 out of 24 completed. And if you want to, view the emote, it's right here. It's called Symbiote Boogie, but that's basically how you unlock it. You just have to keep on rolling until you unlock it, and you can obviously get these by doing some challenges as well. It's like I think it's called Galactus Power Cosmic. I think there's like a specific way to unlock it. Yeah, right here. You click on missions, and then you can go ahead and spectate this. You can do these missions, and you will get the Galactus Power Cosmic for doing some of the missions. I believe you can also refresh after you complete a mission, which is good. So that is how to basically unlock the Galactus emote. You have to keep on rolling until you unlock everything. It says how much you have currently. Once you reach 24, you are good to go. And if you want to unlock more roles, you basically just do missions until you have enough of the purple thing. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.